ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, welcome back. Well, wasn't really gonna record this. I was just trying to do something real quick, but then I decided, well, what the heck? I took a couple pictures, so figured I'd bring you guys into this crazy old project. So anyways, here, let me show you guys what I'm doing. Alright, so I think I've talked to you guys about this spare tire rack before, and you know, there we go. So I told you guys about the spare tire rack before and how it doesn't have any way to lock. So if you're on level ground, it's not bad. But like yesterday, I was out at the beach. Let me turn you guys. Are we all in here? Ooh, sorry. I was down at the beach, and every time I'd stop, you know, to help somebody and I had to open the back, I was never on level ground. So this thing kept swinging around, and it was just a real pain in the butt. So what I did is I ordered up this guy off Amazon. It had a spring in it, but it was really short. So I would have had to mount the thing like way down here to get enough throw to pin it. So I just put a bolt in it. Basically, I just ended up buying it for this pretty little red handle here. Anyways, so I welded this collar on. And so now this will go in like that. And I'm gonna put, basically I'm just gonna mark where the pin is on the back side and then on this side, so that when it opens 90 degrees it'll pin, and then when I open it out it'll pin, and then if I need to go all the way I can lift it and swing it all the way out that way. So anyways, that's what we're up to today. I think I got it. So just roll around and the pin drops in, and I'll just keep it from swinging back and smacking me. And if I want to just close it, I can just pop it up to here and it'll go all the way past that other hole, or you just clip it down and then it drops in on its own. So I'll throw a little paint on here. Can you guys see? We'll throw a little paint on here. I put the cap back on. I put a little grease in there. I gotta put a little Loctite and get this jammed up so it don't rattle loose. And then I'm thinking I might put a little washer and tack weld it so this thing can't like come out on me and end up losing it. That's a thought. I'm gonna put a plug right here, so if I ever have to take this off again, it should work pretty smooth. Yeah. So thanks for following along on Sunday. I hope it's not too bad on the audio. It's kind of breezy up here, and I got the little sock on the mic. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to kind of show you guys that deal real quick, because it was pretty annoying that this thing would just, you know, and if you're parked on the right or left side, the driver's side downhill, trying to keep this open while you're getting in the back was a real pain in the butt by yourself. So this should help out a lot, and we'll keep you guys posted if I need to make any modifications or changes, or how I like it or don't. So thanks a lot for following. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell for notification. Most importantly, get out, go wheeling, have some fun.